Hi guys, welcome to day 12 of my 14 days yoga series. In today's class, we will be practicing a very quick and effective vinyasa flow that will target every muscle in your body and leave you sweaty. With that said, let's get started. We will today start by sitting in Vajrasana. Keep your hands just down by your sides, rolling your shoulders on one side, just to warm up the cervical spine. One last time on this side. And now reverse. One more time. Now bring your head back to center. With your right hand, grab the left ear, pull it closer to the right shoulder, stretching out the side of the neck. Release, take it on the other side, left hand, right ear. Release the stretch. Now grab your forefingers, lift your arms up. Pull your shoulders up towards the ears and now drop down both your arms slightly towards the right side, stretching out the left side of the body. Come back and on the other side. Come back, bring your hands down, lift up, come into kneeling position. We are going to start by extending the left leg out. Right hand down, left hand goes up and overhead. Now lift the left arm up. You're going to lift the left leg from the mat. Hold. Again, we are going to start by firing up the quadricep. Now from here, you're going to drop the leg down and kick. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Lift the leg up. Hold. Bend your leg, grab your ankle, pull the knee back. Open up your chest and heart center. Find your balance. Again, extend the leg, lift your arm up. Hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your leg, lift up, and now take your left hand on your left ankle, right arm goes up. Lift yourself up, come back, bring your leg back, other side. Right leg to the side, right hand up and overhead. We are going to hold this side plank variation. Now lift the right leg up, lift the right arm up, again hold. We are going to start by kicking. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Lift the leg up, hold. Again, engaging up your quadricep on the other side. Bend your leg, grab your foot, pull the knee back. Extend the leg, hold. Now drop your foot down, lift up. You're going to slide over towards the right side. Lift up. Once again into kneeling position, just facing the top of your mat. Keep your palms down. Stepping your legs back in plank. Hold your plank. And now on your exhale, lift your hips up into downward facing dog. Bend your knees. Start pedaling your legs on the spot. Now this time, keeping both your knees bent, you're going to walk towards the top of your mat, come into forward fold. Grab your opposite elbows and now sway side to side like a rag doll. One last time on both the sides. And now come back. Bring your palms down. Stepping the right leg back, drop the knee. Lift the arms up into lunge. Hands come behind, interlace. Extend your elbows, open your chest. Now tuck your toes and lift the back knee, hold. Releasing your hands, lift them up, holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop down the hands, stepping the leg back, coming into single-legged plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop down the leg, drop the knees, chest and chin. Upward facing dog, inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Again, catch your breath in downward dog. You may gently start pedaling if you feel like. Now bending the knees, walk to the top of your mat, coming into forward fold. See how far you can go. Maybe you can grab your ankles. Maybe you can grab your big toes with your two-piece fingers. 10 more seconds and we will step back onto lunge on the other leg. Slowly keep your palms down. You're going to step the left leg back, come into lunge. Lift your arms up. Now bringing your hands behind, again interlace. Extend your elbows, push your chest forward. Tuck your toes, lift the back knee from the mat. Release, lift your arms up. Drop your palms down, step your right leg back into one-legged plank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your toes, drop down the knees, chest and chin, upward facing dog on your inhale. Exhale, relax in child's pose. Slowly come forward into tabletop. This time drop your forearms, extend the legs back into elbow plank. making sure your shoulders and elbows are in one straight line. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop down your hips. Come into Cobra stretch. Roll your shoulders down and back. Now bend your legs, flex your feet, grab your ankles. We are going to take full bow. Lift your knees from the mat. Open your chest even more. If you cannot do this, keep your hands down on the mat and keep lifting the legs up. Five more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Release. Place your hands closer to the chest. Press your palms and lift up into full upward dog. Sitting into child's pose one more time. Just round your back. Big toes touching, knees together or wide apart. Now lift yourself up. Tuck your toes, knees up into downward facing dog. Bend the knees, walk to the top of your mat. Come in between your two hands. Bend both your knees, lift your arms up into Utkatasana. Again, sending your hips back. Now lift your heels, hold. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heels down, palms down, come into forward fold. Relax. Again, bending the knees. You're going to roll up slowly and gently. Lift your arms up. Inhale and exhale. Hands to your heart. We will be doing one round of Surya Namaskar B. Again, standing at the top side of your mat, feet together. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, Utkatasana. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, palms down, hop or step back into plank. Chaturanga or knees, chest, chin. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Right leg forward, Virbhadrasana. Lift your arms up. Bring the hands down, step your right leg back in plank. Chaturanga, knees, chest, chin. Upward facing dog, inhale. Downward facing dog, exhale. Left leg forward, Virbhadrasana. Lift your arms up. Again, your knee should be directly over the ankle. Drop down your palms, step your leg back, come into plank, knees, chest, chin or chaturanga, upward facing dog, downward facing dog. Just hold your downward dog. Now bend your knees, walk to the top of your mat. Inhale and exhale, sit into Utkatasana. Inhale, exhale, Samasthiti. All right. Now we are going to come into seated position. Right at the center of the mat. We are going to take seated pigeon. So you're going to keep your legs in front. I'm going to face my mat. Keep your hands behind. Now right ankle on top of the left knee. Left foot closer, pull the right knee down, and you're going to hold this. Slowly bring the foot down. We will go on the other side. Left ankle on the right knee. Consciously pull the left knee down. Hold. Now bring the leg down. We are going to take butterfly. Soles of your feet together. Your feet can be closer or little far off from your groin. You may come down. Just relax here for 20 seconds. Lift up, walk your hands back. Come into Sukhasana, cross your legs. And now we are going to close off with one last deep breath together. Inhale, bringing in more oxygen into your lungs. Arms go up and overhead. Palms together. And exhale, hands to your heart. Thank you so much guys for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for such more exercises and yoga content. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Namaste.